Good evening, children. Welcome back to one more session of mathematics. Today we'll see the mensurations of recast and melting into the one more solid. Recast into melt into the one more solid. Example, cone to cylinder. Otherwise, the cylinder from the cone. The same. We'll see this one. Let's take here one of the question from the 10.3. I hope that is the third problem from the 10.3. The question is, find the volume of largest right circular cone from the that can be cut out of cube whose edge is 7 centimeters. Right? Volume of largest right circular cone. That is from the cube. See, 7 centimeters cube. First, you take the cube here. If you draw the figure, then it will be very easy to execute this. So this is actually the cube is with the 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. Everything 7 centimeters. So the largest right circular cone, the largest one, you have to find the value. Cone. What will be the largest right circular cone that we can cut from the cube of a side 7 centimeters? So here that means the diameter here. This is the diameter indirect. This is the diameter. You have to take this diameter as how much? 7 centimeters. This is the cube. Come on, draw the circle on the top of here. That means you can draw from edge to edge, from the center. That means the side you can draw. The side, if you will have the 7 centimeter, that means the diameter you will get here the 7 centimeters or radius 3.5. So here it is. So this is the way you can see this right circular. The largest one it will take. Here, if you will take, see, this is the circle and it will be like this. Here I drawn in the cube. I drawn. So this is, what will be the height? What will be the height? Height also 7 centimeters. Height also 7 centimeters. What will be the height of this cube? Cube is nothing but what? Room. With the 6 spaces, with the 3 lengths, dimensions. That is the length, the breadth, and the height with the equal dimensions. So that is the 7 centimeters here. Height also 7 centimeters. Radius is 3.5 because the diameter is 7 centimeters. So radius will be half of that one. Half of that one. So yes, that is nothing but what is given? Given radius of a circle. Given radius of a circle is nothing but what? Side of a cube. By 2. Side of a cube by 2. Nothing but indirectly diameter. That is 7 by 2. 7 by 2. What is it? This is in a let us say here centimeters. Centimeters. 7 by 2. Otherwise, you can go with the 3.5 also. No issues. Okay, fine. You got it, the radius. And height of a cone is nothing but the height of a cube. What is the height of a cube? 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. Height of a cone is nothing but the height of a cube. That is also 7 centimeters. So we can find out now volume of a cone. Volume of a cone. Which is the largest circular cone here. The largest circular cone inscribed in the cube. Cube. Volume of a cone. What is the volume of a cone formula? 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi r square h. pi r square h 1/3 pi r square. You know the value of r, you know the value of h. Just substitute in that. So that is equal to 1/3 into 22 by 7 into r value 7/2 into 2 times na, because r square, and the h also same, that is 7. 1/3 into 22 by 7 into 7/2 into radius r by 2, sorry, d by 2, 7/2, 3.5. So that now see, this is 7, this 7 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 11s. That's it. There is a no calculation is left. 7 7s are 49. 49 into 11. 49 11s are 539. 539. So that is nothing but 9 4 9 9 13 1 5. Yes, 539 by 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 11 7s are 77. 77 7s are 539 by 3 2s are 6. You can leave like that. Otherwise, it is in decimal also. You can do the division. 6 1s are 6, 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54, na? Yes. So that is nearly 89, 88 point. Okay, na? Fine. And 6 8s are 48. And how much left here? 5 left, 59. So 6 9s are 59, nothing but 54. 5 left, nothing but 50. So 6 8s are again 6 8s are, and this is centimeter cube. This is approx. 89.8 centimeters cube. To find out here the largest cone from the cube of a side 7 centimeters. The cube of a side 7 centimeters indirectly, you have to take the diameter is 7 centimeters. What will be the circular diameter? How will you get this from the path? It is passes. It will be passes from the center. The diameter is nothing but passes from the center. So the circle also you can draw with the diameter 7 centimeters. That means our radius will be half of the diameter, 7/2. Half of the diameter is 7/2, and the height will be the same. The height is what is the height of the core, height of the cube. The same will be there. So that is just substitute and calculate here, so that you will get the result of that is 89.8 centimeters cube is the result of the largest circular cone you can catch up from the side of a cube 7 centimeters. If you want, can take off the screenshot. Go with one more. So one decimal enough. If you want, you can go with one more also. 89.83 something you will get. Otherwise, this is also correct, no issues. Okay, children. So that's fine, and I will go with one more question. One of the important question from the 10.4. One of the important question from the 10.4. We'll see this one. A 20 meters deep well of diameter 7 meters is dug, and the earth got by digging in evenly spread out to form a rectangular platform of 22 into 14. Then what will be the height of the platform, he is asking. So one of the questions from 10.4, even this is also the third question from that. So here it is there, one of the ground. Let us go with the example is a ground. So diameter is 7 meters. Again, the diameter is given here 7. So one of the 7 meters mud he is digging. The bottom he is digging, and the mud is taking out and he is throwing, what we will do? Just we will dig the mud, we will handle that mud and we will throw somewhere. But this boy or a girl is very tactically, they are using one of the questions, that is the mud is digging. Okay, how much height here? The deep nothing but here height. Deep is nothing but height. The 20 meters is digging the mud with the 7 meters diameter. So here it digging and they are taking the mud and they are spread. They are they are throwing the mud with some certain dimensions they are showing. They are throwing here. So they are taking the mud and here they are placing one rectangular shape. Just they are not throwing just blindly here on this side and that side. No. The mud is taking out and they are spreading into one of the platform. They are preparing here one of the platform with the length and breadth given. We have to find here the height. Length and breadth. The length is 22 and the breadth is 14. And the platform, they are rectangular platform in the form of 22 and 14. Then what will be the height? Then cuboid shape you will get, right? The mud you are taking out and you are placing in one form. Their platform is their what they will say, that constructing indirectly. Just they are not throwing blindly the mud. They are placing towards that mud, placing at one place with the rectangular shape, with the length and the breadth given here, 22 meters and 14 meters. Then what will be the height of the platform they are asking? What will be the shape here? Some 20 meters deep nothing but height, and the diameter given, that is nothing but indirectly cylinder, shape of a cylinder. Sump we are doing, sump. You know, nowadays you can use in the main cities. The maximum in every constructed house, they will go with the sump because they will not enough place. They will not have enough space. In a Godavari we have excellent, but in our cities we can't. The space is too valuable, so they will go in underground because the water also you won't get more underground. Here you will get water full because the Godavari river is very near to us. So if wherever, suppose if you will go little 2 meters, 3 meters, the water will come up. So that's the problem here. Maximum the sumps we can't see. Yes, we can see, but very rare. But in the cities we can see plenty of. In every constructor, 99% of that sumps only will be there. So they are digging the mud with the what? 20 meters deep, nothing but a height. If you see from the here called height, if you are seeing down called deep. 20 meters height, and the circle, how much the radius? The radius is 7/2. Diameter given 7. Nothing but radius is again d/2, 7/2. So that mud they are taking out and placing into one form, into one shape. The shape is rectangular shape, indirectly cuboid. So with the help of that mud, they are placing constructing here, they are placing the mud into one shape, that is with the length and the breadth is 22 and 14 meters, 22 meters and 14 meters. Then what will be the height he is asking? So let me see here. So this is okay. So this is totally mud. This is totally mud. Shape of a cylinder. And So that is 1026. So that is now this mud is taking out and they are going into preparing one platform like this with the rectangle shape. Then here they are placing like this with the one rectangle shape. Platform they are doing this. Right. Now, with this, the diameter given here, the diameter is 7 meters or centimeters here? Meters, 7 meters. And the height from here to here, the height is 20 meters. 20 meters. Here height we don't know. We don't know the height. We have to find the height. And the base given the platform 22 meters. This is 22 meters and this is 14 meters given. Then what will be the height he is asking? That h meters. Let us take this is a h meters. So now comes, I think so you understand very clearly. This is the place which is in the form of a cylinder shape. This total mud they are taking out and placing to form one platform that is in the shape rectangle. Indirect cuboid, length, breadth and height will be there. There is a length 22, there is a breadth 14. What is the height he is asking? Come on, this is indirectly nothing but what? Everything, length, breadth, height, nothing but value. You have to take the formula. Maximum melting and recasting is nothing but value. So that is nothing but yes. Here, let the height of a platform be h meters. Base of a platform are 22 meters and 14 meters. Means length and breadth indirect direct dimensions of a platform also you can write, no issues. And radius of a what do you say that well, okay, no, the well is in the shape of a radius of a well, that is nothing but radius of a well is nothing but d by 2, right? Diameter of a well. Diameter of a well by 2, nothing but how much? 7 by 2 meters. 7 by 2 meters. 7 by 2 meters. And height of a well. Height of a well, nothing but deep. How much? 21 meters. Sorry, 20 meters. 20 meters. 20 meters. Now this total mud is taking out and placing it to get in the form of a rectangular shape platform. So comes under the part is volumes. Volume of a platform. Platform occupied is equal to volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder, nothing but what? Well. So value of platform cuboid shape is L into B into H, and value of cylinder formula pi r square H. So this H and this H is different, no? So take here the H1 and H2. So let us take height of the platform is H1. Height of the platform is H1. Now you can see that what is L? L is 22. What is base? 14. What is H1? We have to find. That is 22 by 7 into R. R is nothing but here already done. That is the 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 because 2 times. 2 times here it is. And so and H2. What is H2? That is 20. That is 20. The H2 is 20. Now H1 is equal to easy calculation I am doing here. See here once. Don't multiply all. It's very easy. Just 22 and 14 sent to this side. It becomes here 1 by 22 and 1 by 14. Okay. 1 by 22 and 1 by 14. Yes. 1 by 22. Now see here 22 ones are 22 ones are simple calculation. And 17 get cancelled. And here 7 ones are 7 twos are very easy calculation. And 2 ones are 2 tens. Or denominators. Yes, one more is there. And one more 2 ones are 2 fives. And how much left? Cancel. 5 by 2 is there. 2 ones are 2. 2.5 is a half. So that is nothing but here 2.5 meters. Therefore, H1 is equal to 2.5 meters. Hence, height of a platform. Height of a platform is equal to 2.5 meters. 2.5 meters. So this is the way to do. See how easily I get cancelled here. 22 and 14 I did not multiply. Here also I am not multiplying. Just see this one also send it to right side. Then after go with the calculation. Numerator and denominator. While sending from one side to other side, it goes to denominator because since it is in the product form. Since it is in the product form, and 22 ones are 22 ones are. And 7 ones are. And 2 ones are 2 tens, and one more 2 ones are 2 fives, and 7 twos are 7 ones, 2 left, 2 ones are 2.5. Calculation you have to by yourself actually. So very easy method. Don't multiply all numerators and don't multiply denominator because you will get very big number you will get. See how the tiny calculation I done here, simple calculation here. So like that you have to be, and hence the height of the platform is 2.5 meters. The mud is placing into constructing the one form platform that is a base given 22 and 14. What will be the height? The height is 2.5. You may raise the doubts if you will have any in the group. Otherwise, please take a short. Yes. We'll see one more question. The last problem of last. Here, the last problem of 10.4. A solid metallic sphere of diameter, 28 centimeters is melted and recast into a number of smaller cones, each of diameter 4 2 by 3 centimeters and height also given. So how many cones he formed? The solid metallic sphere. See here, sphere. Some sphere this is. So this is converted into n into cones is converted. How many cones we done? Some small cones with the diameter given. Each diameter 4/2/3. The diameter is given here 4/2/3, and also height also given here. So given here, what he given? This is the sphere. Is totally recast and melted. కరగబెట్టి చిన్న చిన్న స్తూపాలను తయారు చేస్తున్నాడు. అలాంటి ఎన్ని స్తూపాలు తయారు చేశాడు? That is the question. The sphere, the totally recasted and converted into the cones. So how many cones he prepared with the some dimensions given? The diameter here given. Let the number of cones be. How many? N. We don't know, na? Yes. And the radius of a cone given, that is nothing but d/2, right? Since we know that diameter is 4/2/3. 4/2/3. What is 4/2/3? What? Centimeters. 4/2/3 centimeter. 4/3 is 12 plus 2. 14/3. 4/3 is 12. 12 plus 2. 14/3 centimeters. And also given here height. Height of a cone, how much? Height of a cone. Height of a cone also given, that is 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. And sphere, what will be that sphere? Radius. Radius of a sphere. It is nothing but this is d1. This is, let us take d2. Nothing but r1. That is, this is r1 and this is r2. So what is the d2 here? The metal is the diameter is 28 centimeters. 28/2, nothing but 14 centimeters, which is r2. Both are different, right? And how many years? Now the formula is n into volume of a cone is equal to volume of a sphere. Volume of a cone and the volume of a sphere. So yes, n into volume of the cone formula. N into volume of a cone formula. N into 1/3 pi r square h. Cone radius is r1. Okay, there is no height in sphere, so directly you can take h. And yes, sphere formula is, what is the sphere formula? 4/3 pi r cube r2. 4/3 pi r cube here. 4/3 pi. So here, so 4/3 pi. Now see here, see simple calculation. Pi get cancelled. Easy calculation. Pi and pi get cancelled. And the denominator 3 also get cancelled, because if you send this 3 to this side, it will go to numerator. Yes, now see what is left? N left. 1/3 cancel pi r1 square. What is r1 here? It is r1 square. 14/3 square means 2 times you have to take. 14/3 square. And h, we have to find h, I hope. No, sorry, given here. What is height? 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters is equal to 4 is there into r2 cube. R2, where is R2? R2 here. 14 cube means 14 into 14. Okay, so this is what your diameter, no? Yes, okay. Diameter is 12 to 28, then radius will be half of that one. Okay, 14 cube, nothing but 14 into 14 into. See how I will do the calculation very easily. Don't multiply here all 14 into 14 something. No, don't do like that. See, n is equal to, write down numerator first. 4 into 14 into 14 into 14 into, denominators also take this side. 3 into 3, na? So it will go to the numerator here. 3 into 3. 3 into 3. This numerator sent to RHS, it will go to numerator. Now denominator. 14 into 3. 14 into 3 you will get. And 4 into 14, 4, 14, 14. numerator, denominator na, send it to this side to numerator. So now see how 14 ones are 14 ones are 14 ones are 14 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones. Denominators cancelled, completed. Now numerator. So what is left? 4 is there. 14, 14. Next 14 into 3. 4 into 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12. 12 into 14. How much? 12 into 14. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. 8 6 1. 168. 8 6 correct. 168 cones converted here from a sphere. From this sphere, this is the diameter actually. The diameter is 28 centimeters and the height is here 3 centimeters. Radius already given here 14 by 3. 14 by. Oh shit. We done a mistake here. Diameter is how much here? Diameter 4 2 by 3. 4 2 by 3 by 2 we not take. Sorry, by 2. Okay, now we'll take here into 1 by 2. 14 by 6. Nothing but here 2 ones are 14. 4 3s are 12 plus 2. 2. How much? 14 by 3. 14 by 6. Nothing but 7 by 3. 7 by 3 centimeters. 7 by 3 centimeters, which is R1. So small mistake here. By 2 I did not take, children. By 2. So okay, simple. Here we have to take here 14 by 2 not. Here we have to take here how much? 7 by 3. 14 by 3 into 1 by 2 2 1 7. Yes, 7 by 3. 7. Here I am taking just okay. Sorry. Here 7. Here also you will get 7 cone. And yes, here small calculation. In this you will get a half, I hope. Yes, 4 into 14 into 14 into 14. 4 times, 3 times. Into these 3, 2 brings to right side to goes to numerator and 7 into 7 into 3. Now see here 3 ones are 3 ones are 7 ones are 7 2s are 7 ones are 7 2s are. What is left here? 4 is left. 14 into 2 2s are 4 into again 3. Now 4 3s are 12. 12 14s are 12 14s are 168. 168 into 4 into 14 into 4 into 3. Yes. 14 4s are 56. 56 into 12. 56 into 12 how much? 2 6 are 12 1 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11 1 6 are 6 1 5s are 5 2 7 6 672 672 cones prepared from one sphere of diameter 28 centimeters. Now I checked for this. See how I recognize the mistake. I done here radius, the diameter given by 2, not I done. So by 2 you have to do, children. Just you have to, yes, this is by 2, not 7 by 3. Previously it was 14 by 3, right? Now 7 by 3. So here 1 more 2 will be there. Here also 2, nothing but 168 4 times 672. Fine. Once again, so this total is sphere and recasted into one small cones. But how many small cones they prepared? We don't know. So let us take that is n into something. So let us take n, and the radius of a cone is the given diameter, not radius. So diameter by 2. So 4 2 by 3 by 2. 4 3 2 by 3 by 2. Nothing but 14 by 3 by 2. That is nothing but 7 by 3 centimeters, which is R1. The height of a cone given and the radius of a sphere, again d by 2. 28 by 2 is 14. You will done here correct. And an n into volume of a cone and volume of a sphere. Substitute, take the formula, and the 3 3 Denominators cancel, pi. Numerators are cancelled because equal to symbol is there. Which are left to write down? N into R2. R1 is a nothing but 7 by 3. 2 times you have to take 7 by 3, 7 by 3, and H is given 3. And 4 is left, I have written 4. R2 is here 14. So 14 into 14 into 14. 3 times R2 cube. 3 times. And yes, that is equal to N into just these 3 denominators also sent to this side becomes here 3 into 3. And the numerator sent to this side becomes here denominator to goes. So 7 into 7 into 3. Just cancel it. Very easy calculation. 3 get cancelled. 7 1 is 7 2 is 7 1 is 7 2 is what are left? Write down and multiply. You will get that. You got it. That is 672 cones. You got it from one sphere of diameter 28. One sphere of diameter 28. Easy calculation, but small. See, the small mistake will gives that everything is wrong. So I recognize that everything I corrected. So that is the most important here. The how you have to recorrect that question. That is also one of the experience to you, isn't it? So this is where you have to do that all and you do some 10.4. From the 10.4, if you will do, it's very easy to do that one. Revision, try to do everyone. The 10.3 and the 10.4, the most important. And if you will do that one, raises any doubts, you can chat with me, no issues. And whatever I will give the clarification. Okay, children. So that's the end of our mensuration. We'll go the next chapter tomorrow. Nothing but the next class. It's thank you, and within a short time, the physics class going to start. Thank you.